A client portal has turned from a nice-to-have feature to something that most companies heavily rely on. It helps them streamline their operations, message back and forth with clients, and strengthen their brand. As this type of software has become increasingly more popular, it's also become more diverse. You can find client portals for different niches, such as SPP for agencies and productized services, while others may focus on law firms. Let's take a closer look at what a client portal is, what the benefits of them are, and how you can find the best client portal to match your needs. Client portals are cloud-based software that clients can access via a website through their web browser. Most portals are configured to be accessed via a subdomain, so it looks like it belongs to your company. The main goal is to make interacting with clients smooth while also gathering all of the information under one place. To be able to exchange sensitive information securely, most client portals require the client to sign up with an email and a password, and then they secure the connection with SSL encryption. Once logged in, clients are able to access digital files, manage subscriptions, access private links, and more, all in one easy-to-understand dashboard. One of the most important benefits of a client portal is that it helps centralize all information in one place, both for the company and for the client. From invoices to automatic email notifications, clients are aware of when changes are made and also know when they need to provide more information. For companies, the portal is not the only single source of truth. Most modern portals are able to also generate reports. Those can be used to identify recurring issues and prevent them from happening in the first place. For instance, if customers ask the same questions repeatedly, add them to an FAQ on your portal. Here are a few more benefits that you can enjoy by having a client portal. Invite collaborators to deliver services more effectively, track invoice payments and send invoice reminders, ask clients to fill out intake forms after payment, securely share sensitive files with customers, embed external reports individually for each client, and improve your customer support with a dedicated FAQ section. The main goal of a client portal is to improve the client experience, which is why apps usually focus on enabling specific features, such as, if you need to share files with your clients or allow them to upload them, find a customer service portal that manages files and makes it easy to securely access documents in the future. If your goal is to allow clients to self-service their subscriptions to your services and download invoices, certain portals connect to payment gateways such as Stripe. Clients can easily upgrade their subscription or cancel them on their own if they wish. If your services require certain handholding, but you don't have the resources to do it yourself, use a client portal that helps with onboarding. It could display videos, detailed documentation, or other tutorials. Besides the types I just mentioned, some solutions explicitly cater to specific businesses. For instance, SPP targets agencies and productized services by offering the most important features that these companies need. The software helps with the order management process, provides a white label portal on certain plans, and is fully customizable. Another way to distinguish client portals is by how they operate. Some portals are available as WordPress plugins that integrate with your existing website. Of course, they require your website to run on the world's most popular CMS. Solutions such as Service Provider Pro are fully hosted and managed by the developer. You only need to subscribe to their service and get access to your own workspace. Those who want to manage their own instance can either develop their own client portal or find a solution that they can host themselves. All companies should have security measures in place that prevent data from being accessed by third parties. While any client portal should be secured with SSL, some industries have higher needs when it comes to protecting their client information. Those might be required to host the software on their own services instead of relying on the developer to manage it. An often overlooked security measure is app monitoring and redundancy. A secure client portal has failsafes in place that reduce downtime and ensure that the performance of the software remains solid, minimizing the chance of data loss. Of course, customer databases should always be kept separately and be encrypted. Account passwords should never be saved in plain text. Speaking of passwords, the best customer portals make use of additional security measures such as 2FA for their clients and staff accounts. We haven't gone into detail on client portal pricing in this video, but generally speaking, they can cost anywhere from less than 100 to several hundreds depending on what your requirements are. Some client portals price their plans on a per-user basis. For sure, modern apps should encrypt their data with the same standards as financial institutions. We'd still recommend to check with a developer if they've been independently audited. A modern client portal allows you to centralize all information and handle most tasks from one place. They can usually be extended to work with other softwares you use, thanks to webhooks, integrations with Zapier, and APIs. You can check out SPP via the description down below for a client portal that helps you elevate your productized agency. And thank you for watching.